Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Instagram Music Notes feature not showing. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Update Instagram. Open Play Store. Go to the search bar and type Instagram. Update Instagram. If an update is available, make sure to update your app to the latest version. Sometimes outdated versions can cause features like notes not to show properly. Method 2. Enable activity status. Open Instagram. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines menu located at the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on this option. Messages and Story Replies. Select Activity Status and make sure that the activity status is turned on. This can affect certain features like notes visibility. Method 3. Switch to a professional account. Open Instagram. Go to your profile icon. Tap on the three lines. Click on the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down. Look for Professionals. Select Creator Tools and Controls. Switch to Business or Creator account or add new professional account. Tap on this option. Then click Continue until you are asked to select a category. Select a category. Choose an option, for example, Blogger, and tap Done. Finish setup. Complete the steps and return to your profile. By following these methods, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram notes not showing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.